So, hello.
Sun in my face.
Let's get over here.
We need that shade action.
Shade. There we go. So this is Robyn. We're meeting for the first time.
Yeah. Yeah, I modeled for 9 years and I am now a YouTuber. So Robyn Kimberly.
And she is squatting like hell.
I'm a big girl.
Go, where you been modeling?
So I modeled in Milan and I've modeled in LA and I'm from Vancouver, Canada, so most of my work was done there. But yeah, I'm really excited to shoot with you today.
Yeah.
We're in Beverly Hills, how can you go wrong?
Yes, it's gorgeous out here. We're gonna go and see how it goes.
My thighs are tired.
I like this position, just a little bit, there we go. Without looking into the camera.
The time is always right to open up your eyes and be the flickering flame. We can light the corners, shine through all the borders, deep down.
Around half body right now. Hold that one and... Okay. I like it right now. When you're ready. Half body and up to 3/4. Just bring you a little bit closer here. Closer to me. Good.
Lens cap.
It's a very technical thing. Background. Alright, hey guys. Thank you. Much appreciation.
Wonderful. Oh, thank you. I tried.
We got kicked out in the nicest way possible, or not?
The guy was super nice.
Okay,
I don't think I've
go.
ever been kicked out of somewhere so nicely.
Really?
Yeah.
I
always get kicked out of places for filming. People just like hate it. I don't know why.
They grab you by the collar and run you out?
So nice. Thank you, sir, for helping me there. Let's try that twirl one more time. Right there, good.
everyone's standing still and hit a couple poses. Cool.
Take your hands and dig deep into your soul. Let yourself lose control. Turn it up, so it up. Can you feel it all over?
It's a couple just still, and we're gonna get half body.
When you get the chance, so put on your favorite song.
Couple of smiling ones. Big happy. Big happy. Good. Over the shoulder, same thing. And twirl into it.
It's a good day to have
Got it.
a good day. So tighten up your laces and be on your way. It's a good time to have a good time. So feel the beat down in your bones and smile. Oh, take your hands and dig deep into your soul. Let yourself lose control. Turn it up, so get up. Can you feel it all?
I love that one. Look away. Cool. Hold those for his background. Got it. Keep going. Full body now.
I wanna see ya. I wanna see ya.
Same pose, big smiley. Nice.
I wanna see ya. I wanna see ya. See us pie, lemon, apple, or cherry. Loving
Great.
you is so
I love that last one where you're sort of like half biting.
sweet, sweet,
Great.
sweet. How can it be such a piece of cake? And
Gonna
your
look
smile is
up in the sky as
icing.
you're laughing.
Loving you
Great.
is a party. It's sweet, sweet, sweet. How can it be? And you make my candy-coated heart melt. When you take my hand and I am under your spell. Baby, I crave your affection. When I stepped in sweet confection. Honey, you're my sugar. I'm pleased as punch. Whether spiked or sparkling, you make me tipsy and bubbly. If you're dessert, I want the last course first. Oh, how I love all your candy kisses, and I'm addicted. Oh, 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 I can't have just one. No, you make my candy-coated heart melt. When you take my hand and I am under your spell. Oh, and you make my candy-coated
Background.
heart red.
No, you're great. Thank you.
When you take my hand and we go stargaze. Baby, I crave your
Big smiley, same poses.
when I
Great.
stepped in sweet confection.
Looking away from the camera. Great.
Honey, you're my sugar. Baby, I crave your affection. When I stepped in sweet confection. Honey, you're my sugar.
Too polished or anything.
Okay.
We're rolling. We just finished the
Casual.
shots. We just finished the shoot. We got kicked out only once.
There ain't nothing like sunshine and air to make you feel like